Guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Nelly and you're welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural hair care videos, DIYs to help you grow your natural hair healthy and also maintain a healthy natural hair. So in today's video, I am going to be using the same old mini braids, which I have actually changed to mini twist. However, I loosed the ends, okay, and I changed them to twist because I felt like it was going to be easy to manage. So in today's video, that's not what the video is all about. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating another hairstyle from this very one. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I am going to achieve this. Yeah, this locks extension. I believe everybody knows this locks extension. So this is what I'm going to be using to make my hair today. And I'll also be using some kinky extensions as well. Let me show you guys that as well. You can actually use any kinky extension, but these are the ones I'll be using. I think these are Darling packs. I can't remember. They are probably Darling kinky extension, but I think any kinky extension would work. So first of all, I already washed my hair and I'm going to dry my hair because as you can see, water is dripping all over. So I'm going to first of all dry my hair before I start making this hairstyle. All right, so we're ready now. I won't start from the back because I want the hair to give a certain kind of length. This is, I think, 18 inches, which is not so long, but I want the hair to give like a very long hair vibes. So first off, scissors, cut this off. Take one out. For the kinky extensions that I'm going to be using, I'm just going to do something. Let me show you. So these are the extensions that I'm going to be using, and I'll be sharing this in two. So cutting this in halves, actually, depending on the length of the kinky hair you are using, that's going to determine how short or how long you're going to cut this. So because this is the length, I'm just going to be doing half. This is the bulk of hair I have from just one. And when I mean one, just one like this. Okay, so one like this gave me this much. So I'm just going to take just about this amount. Okay, there. So just to work on a very clean slate, I'm going to put the rest into a bun and I'll just take one out like that. So this is my crochet hook. You need a crochet hook. You need one of these. So next, we'll grab our hair, the piece of hair, pass the hook through the loop of the hair. So let me show you the loop. So this is the loop of the crochet hair. Can you see it? It's got a loop. So you pass your crochet pin through the loop, grab your hair, put the latchet on the hook back and pull your hair through the loop of the crochet hair. So you have something like this. Next, we're going to go to the roots of the hair, pass the pin through the roots of the hair. I hope you can see that clearly. And then we're going to pull our hair, put the latchet back on your crochet pin, pull it across to the other side. So now we have something like this. You've got 1, 2, 3. So you've got like 3 strands of your hair. So depending on the length of your hair, really, that's how you're going to do this. If your hair is a bit shorter than mine, you might not be able to pass it through the roots of your hair and bring it out. But if your hair is as long as mine or close to mine, you can be able to do that. So you might not have up to 3 strands, okay, like I do now, but you could have a good amount of hair. So next, we're going to pass the crochet hook through the roots of the hair again. Now we're going to be passing this kinky hair. So put it on the hook of the crochet pin, close up the latchet and pull it across. So the moment this comes across, we now have 4 strands. 1, your natural hair, 2, 3, and 4. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So this is going to help you make the threading you'll be doing on your hair a bit more firmer. So now we'll thread, but note we're not making it too tight because it's a protective hairstyle. Okay, so you don't want this to be too tight, else when you are done with the entire head of hair, you would not like what you get. I hope that makes sense. Now I'm going to like for you to see how I am going to end this. So I've got some pieces of the kinky hair up here like this. I hope you can see, and I'm just going to continue to wrap it like that. I've passed where the hair ended. I think when I'm doing this again in the front, I would show you better. So we're just going to wrap this loosely like this till you exhaust every bit of the kinky hair. And when you get to this point, just roll. And that's it. Okay, so we're close to the front now. And I've done the same loop. So we're still having 3 strands because my hair is a little bit long. So next, I'm going to get the kinky hair now. And I'll pass my crochet hook through the roots of my hair. And put the hair, this kinky hair, on the crochet hook. Close it up, pass it through the roots of my hair, and now we have 4 strands. So the kinky one and my natural hair making the other 3 strands that I have, which makes it actually 4 strands. So next we're going to hold everything together like so at the roots, like we're doing the African threading. But basically what I'm doing is I'm just wrapping this around. You don't want this to be too tight, because if it is too tight, I've said this before, you will not be able to carry the hair. Okay, so you just want to wrap gently like so till you get to where you have the loop, where your natural hair entered into the loop of the extension. Okay, so when you get to that area, you just continue till you get there. Okay, so we're there now. You wrap like this, a little bit tighter to secure it, and then when you get to the shaft of this extension, you just want to roll this in like this, more like a twist, but you're doing it loosely. Does that make sense? I hope it does. I hope it does. And then when you get to the end where you have the last part of the hair, you just go like this. Okay, and then you do this. Does that make sense? I hope it does. I hope it does. Finish the rest and I'll see you guys when I'm all done. To do hot water, this hair, you don't really have to dip the other parts in hot water, but if you like, you can do that. Or better still, you do this before actually installing the hair, so that makes it a lot more easier. So you dip it in hot water if you like, and allow it dry before you actually install the hair. So this one I'm doing is just for the roots. I'm not going to touch, oh my god, water. I'm not going to touch the shaft of the hair. I'm just doing the roots so it could relax. This thing is hot. To be entirely straight, you can dip this in hot water, but I think the waves it came with makes it even more beautiful, so you can just leave it like that. So now I'm going to use a bit of mousse to slick down the hairs, my natural hairs at the roots, and that's all for this hairstyle. Like, it's a very simple one. If you know how to attend to DIYs, you can do this yourself. I swear, it's very, very simple. Okay, so we're all done now. All done. Looking so expensive, looking really pretty, looking lush, looking everything. So So definitely I'm going to be showing you guys how to style this hair. This video is already too long, so in another video I'll show you guys how to style this hair, simple ways you can style this hair, you can rock this hair, and then I'll see you guys. Bye.